English learners, I have no idea if this video reached you or not, but if you have clicked on this video, I kindly request you watch it till the end. This video is especially for beginners, those who are trying to learn English on their own or have already decided to start. I am a beginner in the English language like many of you who are trying to learn on their own. I have been learning English for almost 3 months. 3 months ago, I decided to teach myself English on my own, and now I want to share this journey with you all. I am not going to lie at any point on this video. In this video, I will talk about how and why I started learning English, what was hard for me then, and what is still hard, my struggles, mistakes, fears, and my initial day of learning and practicing. Also, this is the very first time I'm recording myself in front of the camera, so it's kind of weird for me, but I think it will get better with time and practicing. I want to express myself I want to express myself and put my thoughts into words, but I feel like I don't have enough vocabulary yet since I'm still learning, so maybe I won't be able to say I won't be able to express myself the way I want to. Right now I might not be able to say too much, but I will try to share as much of my journey as I can. So it all started 3 months ago. At that time, I used to procrastinate a lot. I would scroll through social media without any purpose or productivity. I knew it was a waste of time, but I still did it. One day, while scrolling like usual, I came across a couple of videos. After that, I started discovering more and more content like that. I watched a lot of those videos and they inspired me so much. I want to learn something new, to teach myself something useful, so I chose English as the first language to learn. We all know how important English language is in today's world, and that is exactly why I made it my first step. When I started, I couldn't understand much because honestly I didn't know much at that time. Whenever I watched English videos, I could barely understand. The words felt so unfamiliar on my tongue. I used to think, why can't I speak or understand? Why does it slip from my mind and tongue? Why? Whenever I tried to speak, I would forget words or get stuck or just freeze in the middle of a sentence. It was so confusing and frustrating for me in the beginning, and sometimes it made me want to give up learning, but I didn't stop. I kept practicing. Even now I still struggle. Sometimes I don't always know which word to use, but conversations are actually starting to feel easier these days because of regular practicing. Every tiny step I took led me to this moment, and honestly, this feels so amazing. It feels so amazing to be able to speak in this language after just 3 months of learning. We all know, we all know grammar rules can feel like puzzles sometimes, and yes, they are still hard for me. But do you know what is even harder for me in this language? Pronunciation. Pronunciation is my biggest challenge. Some certain IPA sounds are really tricky and I often mispronounce them. I know I have to work on it and I will work on it. Also, I have got a question for you guys. If you are learning English language or thinking of learning, what is the hardest part of this language for you? Comment below. Let me know, okay? One more thing, while learning English, I explored a few Indian languages like Urdu, Punjabi, Marathi, Gujarati, just a little bit, not too much. I I learned how to write them, pronounce them, and some basic words and sentences too. But since my main focus is English, I didn't dive too deeply into those languages. Also, if I have made any mistakes in this video, feel free to correct me. I would really appreciate it. If you want to see more video like this, hit the subscribe button and join me on English learning journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.